MDC and Congress leader Pinchngaian Aim, in an interview on Tuesday, expressed his disappointment over his party's members and friends who had joined the NPP recently. Regarding the appearance of Dr. Celestine before the MPCC on 16 August, even after he had already sent a letter to join the NPP with 2 more MLAs, Pinchngaian said it was inappropriate for Dr. Celestine to do so and it was unacceptable. Aim said the MPCC will continue to consider in the coming days the measures and rules and regulations on how to deal with the MLAs who have been involved in the incident.
Congress family tentu ba ki mi no naga party kadang juga jenis no diau naga leu ni no dau dia ta tentu nilai orang ba nilai ya yang tiga tu aga saya masih mah na try ke pergi ile aga disutu ojoki but bedon ba no tentu ka sulong tang.
After the appointment